Hey guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my meatless stew peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So basically I'm going to cook my stew peas in a pressure pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some water. And I'm basically adding about 4 cups of water. I'm also going to go ahead and add some garlic, and I will also go ahead and add my peas. Allow this to pressure for roughly about 15 minutes or until soft. And you always want to ensure that you monitor your peas. You don't want it to overpressure, as well as, you don't want it to be too tough as well. All right. So I'm going to cover this and leave this to pressure. And while it's pressuring, I'm going to make up my dough for my spinners to put in my stew peas. All right. So this is what my peas looks like after 15 minutes. I realized I add additional peas in the fridge. So I just took it out and just placed it in there. So I'm going to allow this to melt out and add the rest of the ingredients. As I said earlier, I went ahead and make up my dough for my spinners, for my stew peas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw the spinners in the pot. And if you're making stew peas, guys, you always want to ensure that you add spinners. What is stew peas without some spinners? Some nice spinners. Tell me, what is stew peas without some nice spinners? You always have to add your spinners, whether or not you add in meat or whatever you're doing. All right. Alright, so now that I'm finished adding my spinners, we have to go ahead and stir up all of that. And I'm going to go in and add some thyme. I will also add 2 Scotch Bonnet pepper. I will also add my Escallion, and we want to go ahead and crush that with our hand. And I will also add some onion. Now, I know a lot of persons don't like the onion in their stew peas, but if you don't like the onion, that's fine. You can just go ahead and use some additional scallion, alright? I will also go in and add some pimento berries. Combine everything together. And then we're going to go in and add my coconut milk powder. Now guys, if you have real coconut milk at home, authentic coconut milk, you can always go in and add that. Alright. I will also go in and add some all-purpose seasoning for taste and some black pepper. Alright. And of course, I'm going to combine everything together. Then I'm going to cover this and leave this for roughly about another 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, because we want to ensure that majority of the water dry out of our stew peas. But we don't want it to be too dry, alright? So this is what it looks like. So we're just going to cover this and give it some more minutes, alright? Alright guys, so basically this is the final product of my stew peas. Really rich and nice. So I'm going to serve this up with some white rice, and some ripe plantain and show you guys the final product. So guys, this is the final product of my stew peas. As you can see, nicely served up some white rice and some ripe plantains. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember to go ahead and subscribe and follow me on all social media, Callie J's Kitchen on Facebook and Cali Kitchen _1